My name is Michaela Roberts, and this is my video for Lab 2, the kitchen scavenger hunt. I will say I haven't been to the grocery store in a while, so a lot of the stuff that I thought of as my answers, a lot of it I didn't actually have in my kitchen. So I'm just going to run through my list real quick. A lot of these are things that a lot of people have in their kitchen, but my kitchen right now is bare. And I'm sorry in the background if you can hear my kids. I have two small kids and they are in their bedroom, but there might be some background noise and I'm really sorry about that. But I'll go ahead and get started. Hopefully we can get through this without too much disturbance. So the first on the scavenger hunt list was a homogeneous mixture. For my homogeneous mixture, I picked salt water. Because I remember as a kid, my mom would have us like gargle salt water if we had a sore throat or something. And so if you stir pretty vigorously salt into like a warm water, the salt will dissolve completely. And then it'll be homogeneous. For my heterogeneous mixture, I picked cookie dough. I actually made cookie dough this morning and I should have taken a picture when I did and I completely forgot. But, the base of cookie dough, isn't really heterogeneous because you can't go separate back out like the butter and the eggs and the flour, but you can take out the chocolate chips. So, the chocolate chips in the cookie dough base are a heterogeneous mixture. A mixture that can be separated by filtration. I chose cooked pasta. So when you're boiling macaroni noodles or spaghetti noodles in the water on the stove, those are a mixture, those are combined, and then, you run it through your strainer when you dump it in the sink to get the water out to separate the water and the pasta. For my pure substance, I chose a really simple one. I chose pure water. I know although the water that comes out of the tap or even in water bottles isn't really absolutely pure water. There's a lot of added minerals and stuff to that water. But if you have a water purifier or something, like the pure form of water, that's going to be a pure substance. It's just, H2O in its purest form, nothing added to it. So then for my emulsion, I chose the same example as the one that was given in the lesson and stuff because I didn't really know any other good examples. But oil and water, I know, we teach that to every little kindergartner when they're learning about mixtures and stuff. But if you put oil, vegetable oil and water in the same cup, no matter how hard you shake it, no matter how much you stir it, they're never going to combine. They're always going to separate back out in the end. For the suspension, I chose orange juice, specifically orange juice with pulp. So if you have a bottle of orange juice that has pulp in it and it's sitting in your refrigerator, all the pulp settles to the bottom. And when you shake it back up, it'll disperse again. But then, as soon as you let it sit, the pulp will all settle at the bottom of the bottle. And then for my last one, for aerosol, I chose Pam cooking spray, the nonstick spray that you put in your pans if you're going to make eggs or pancakes or anything like that, because it is, like a gas. It's pressurized in those cans and then it's so that it sprays really easily out onto your pans or your other surfaces that you're using it on. So that is what I determined for my scavenger hunt. And next time, hopefully I'll actually have more of those materials in my house so I can actually show you. But I tried to pick ones that people would know even if they didn't have to see it, they know what cookie dough looks like. So, all right, thank you so much. Bye.